So I finally am getting around to taking some test cuts with the Grizzly G0765 lathe. This is actually the second one of these that I've had in my garage. The first one had some issues. Grizzly people were really nice. They sent me replacement parts, no questions asked. I did what I thought I could do, but there came a point where I decided it just didn't want to keep the machine. It was making some funny noises in the gearbox, so took it back to Grizzly, and they very quickly just gave me a new machine. No problems, no issues. So here I am with the replacement machine. This one seems to be fine, so I'm happy about that. Really appreciate they seem to have really good customer service. So I just did the procedure to align the tailstock and have a 6-inch piece of aluminum in here. I'm taking about 5 inches of cut on it, so I'm going to fire it up, take a really light cut, and then we'll throw a mic on it and see what we have. So here we go. Okay, so here we are. Finish looks pretty good. I'm really happy with that. So let me try to take some measurements. Let's get 973 and a half. 974 and a half. 974. So I'm pretty happy with that. So there you go. Tailstock's on alignment. Finish looks good. Pleased with the machine. G0765. Pretty decent little machine for the money. And obviously the best thing about it, get the longer bed, tailstock that actually works, and all the other basic upgrades with the machine.